guys need to try this. It is so important because if you're on a budget or even if you have $1 million, why would you want to waste money? Pretty much wherever you shop, there's going to be a loyalty card, and what most people don't realize is that there's actually store coupons. And the cool thing about store coupons is that you can put a regular manufacturer's coupon on top of it. So I like to go to ShopRite a lot. What you do is you put in your loyalty card number, which I've done, and you log in. And then here's all of the coupons that are available. My advice to you is just add everything, because why not? It's not like you have to pay for it. I send my husband to the grocery store. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but you know what? It's awesome in a pinch. Honestly, they don't care about what's on my list. Not really. They don't understand what I do in order to save money. And if we have this here, we get the savings. Now I'm going to show you one of my little secrets. So there's a site called Living Rich with Coupons. So what I like to do is I like to skip right to the easy stuff. I go to ShopRite, and you're going to see right away what they do. It's amazing. Is that they go to the stores, they look at the circulars, and they have everything that's going to be on sale for this week. Put a check mark next to it if it's a really good deal. So basically what it says here is that, okay, there's an e-coupon, and like I said, you can get the coupons from the store, and it automatically comes out in your loyalty card when you go and shop. And then there's also a coupon that was either in the newspaper or something you can print out. And I would totally suggest printing these coupons. It's amazing. Save way more money than what you would spend in paper or ink, so don't worry about that. Another thing you need to know is anything under $1 automatically doubles. It used to be that you had to go certain days to get it doubled back in the day because I'm old now, but now it automatically does it. So basically a 75-cent off one coupon is way better than $1 off because it doubles, so you save extra money. This is what they give you. They even give you what to do, so you don't have to think or rack your brain. You use 2 of these coupons, and then of course there's the e-coupon that was $1 off of 2. And here you go, $1 each, because they're stacked. Most people would go into the store and be like, oh, you know what? I need to buy some almond milk today. And they buy one and they spend $3. But no, if you take a couple extra minutes, you can get 2 for $2. And now you see. So it also gives you stuff that you can see that's on the circular deals. So you know what? Cantaloupe, 99 cents. That's an awesome deal. Okay, get it. Another thing I want to tell you is green grapes, red grapes, whatever, do not buy them ever if it's more than $1.49 a pound, because it's not worth it. You guys need to try this. This is out there. It's not some sort of illegal scheme. It's not like what's in the news right now where people pull LL Bean out of the trash and go and return it for money. No. This is there so that this company wants you to buy their microwave popcorn because they want you to come back and buy it again. They want you to be like, oh my gosh, I don't care if it's on sale. I want to buy it. Super important that you realize this, because it's not like, oh, I'm poor, so I need to use a coupon. Absolutely not. This is the companies being smart and savvy. They make more money off of this. And ShopRite does this because they make more money because they want you to keep coming back and being a loyal customer. This is another thing that's amazing. You had to buy 5 in order to get the deal. Okay, so it tells you exactly what cereals are on sale. They even have some new ones. Raisin Bran with cranberries, chocolate donut shop. Ugh. But okay, whatever. So you see all these different ones. Now that means that there are more than one coupon out there. So you want to look for the best. Like right now, this one looks pretty good because it's going to be $1 off of 1, which is awesome. You know, $2 off of 4 isn't that great of a deal. Remember, there's also the ShopRite $3 off of 5. So when normally you're like, what the heck do I want to buy 5 for? This is not extreme couponing for the psychos. It's why not do this? Because look what it tells you to do. It tells you exactly what to do. You just print out these 90 cents a piece. Okay, cereal lasts at least a year before it starts getting stale. And I guarantee you your kid's going to eat it. It's a no-brainer. And these deals aren't available every week, so it's not like you end up having 25 cereals. No. And plus, cereal for kids is a great snack. It fills you up. Cereal right now, even this frosted mini wheats or donut shop cereal, I don't care about the old school people who are wrinkling their nose. They're all whole wheat or multigrain. They cut the sugar a lot. Most of the brands don't have any GMOs. And then you know what? It has a lot of protein. It has fiber. Why not give it to the kids? It's cheap. They get filled up. They get the milk. A lot of kids don't like milk. There you go. Great thing about this is that the links are there for you. So you click on it and it opens up a new tab for you. So now it goes to coupons.com. Once you find what you're looking for and you look at all of them, you hit print coupons, it prints out. That's how we do it. Also, if you're on this and you'd be like, oh man, I forgot to do the ShopRite e-coupons. Click on it, it comes up. And then like I said, you just click on it and it works. Something that you should never pay for is toothpaste. And do not be picky about your toothpaste. It all works. This is something I need to show you. It's amazing. Colgate toothpaste, 5 ounce, but you must buy 3 of them. Okay, make sure you see that. This is what's amazing. 88 cents. If you bought one, it'd probably be normal price, like $1.49. Okay, so buy 3, you're already saving money. Then you have your e-coupon, right? So you click on that, you add that, 50 cents off of 1, which again, we learned equates to $1 off of 1. Coupons. You can use 1 per item that you buy, but buy 1, get 1 free. You can use 1 on each, even though 1 is free. Instead of buying 1, because you need toothpaste, you're gonna buy 3, you're gonna get 3 of them for free, and you're gonna make 50 cents. There's someone who likes to see something printed. You click on it. All right, so it goes down to your list. It says what you want. And then look, there you go. You can print this out right away or you can email it to somebody. And the thing I just want to show you real fast is you click on, here we go. Look, parchment paper, I need it. You click on it, I'm not a robot, and you print. Now, you want to allow this kind of stuff because I promise you, it's not going to clog up your computer and give you spam. I've been doing this for years on both a Windows and a Mac, which is why you want to do this. I'm going to show you real quick what we do in the store. Split up, and you're going to see why you want to do it.